Hi.
Hey.
We just wrote a rap
Yeah, what'd she say?
called Crakin The Cat.
Yeah, it's all in here, but it's right here. But I'm not going to show you that until the end. Ready? 1, 2,
3.
We're cracking the cat.
Cracking the cat. We're cracking the cat.
Word. See? It took us one whole page.
More like 5.
No. Yeah, that's how many ones. Yeah.
Cracking the cat.
Oh, yeah.
And keep on cracking the cat.
It was my cat staring at us.
Keep cracking.
She looks dead, but she isn't. Don't worry.
Keep cracking on a cat.
It's better than mac and cheese. We're tired.
Oh, sorry about that.
So yeah, bye.
I was cracking the cat.
No, you weren't.